just one day, my eyes are red, I can sleep in this bed. But first I'll find my meatball. I'm lost in Ikea. I can't find the exit. Help, I'm so lost in Ikea. Where's the fucking exit? No, seriously, where is it? I'm so lost. This Swedish maze has got me crazy. Lost my way, been lost for days. I can't get out, I feel a sense of, oh wait, those are nice cushions. Oh wait, those are nice cushions. Where's the fucking exit? Excuse me, how do I get out? I can't find the exit. Oh, so lost in Ikea. Where's the fucking exit?